Chapter 7. Breathing in and out. Breathing. The process of taking in air, inhalation, and giving out air, exhalation, is called breathing. All animals and humans breathe in oxygen-rich air and breathe out carbon dioxide-rich air, completing the process of breathing. When we inhale, we breathe in air that is called inhaled air. When we exhale, we breathe out air that is called exhaled air. Inhaled air is different from exhaled air in many ways. Inhaled air. Exhaled air. It is rich in oxygen. It is rich in carbon dioxide. It is less moist. It is more moist because it has more water vapor. It is cooler. It is warmer. The process of breathing. Nose. The nose has two nostrils. When we breathe, air enters the nostrils. The hair inside the nostrils trap the dust and other particles, thus preventing them from entering the lungs. Windpipe or trachea. These help carry air into the lungs through a pair of thin tubes called bronchi. Bronchi. These are two thin tubes that help air reach the two lungs. Lungs. These are a pair of sponge and bar-like organs, where exchange of gases takes place. Oxygen gets absorbed and carbon dioxide is given out. Our lungs expand when we breathe in and contract when we breathe out. Diaphragm. The diaphragm contracts when we breathe in and expands when we breathe out. After the lungs absorb oxygen, it gets transported to different parts of the body through blood. Blood rich in carbon dioxide is brought to the lungs, where it is then exhaled out of the nostrils. Breathing is a part of the respiration process. Respiration is the process by which the body uses oxygen, absorbed during breathing, to break down food into energy. The breathing system. Breathing in. Chest expands. Ribs. Diaphragm. Diaphragm contracts. Breathing out. Chest contracts. Lung. Diaphragm relaxes. How useful our breath is? We use our breath to warm our hands in winter, while sometimes we use it to cool a hot bowl of soup. We also blow on sparks in firewood to help it burn. This is because our breath has oxygen which helps to ignite fire. Sometimes, people blow some air onto their spectacles to clean them. Do you know why? Our breath contains moisture. When we blow air onto a cool surface like a spectacle lens or a car window, this moisture changes into tiny droplets of water due to condensation. Condensed moisture helps in cleaning the glass. Breathe well. Our heart beats faster after we run or perform some physical exercises. Why is this so? This is because we breathe in oxygen to help us digest our food and convert it into energy. When we run or exercise, we use energy faster. Therefore, our heart needs to beat faster and we take deeper breaths so that our body can get more oxygen. In fact, there is no part of human body that does not benefit from exercise. Exercises in gym. Regular exercise helps keep our lungs and heart healthy. Exercise strengthens muscles and builds strong bones. Exercise keeps our weight under control and also fights diseases like diabetes. Exercise helps in proper blood circulation inside the body and also helps the body to get enough oxygen. We should try to do exercise in fresh air.